how to find Facebook memories and how to change the settings. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, ever wondered how to relive your favorite Facebook memories without the clutter and how to adjust the settings? Then let me show you how. Let's dive right in. Open up your Facebook app and then go to the menu icon on the bottom right. Now, right here, you'll see the memories option. Go ahead and tap on it. Here, you'll be able to see your memories. Now, if you want to change the settings, you'll have to tap on the gear icon on the top right. And here you'll see memory settings. So you can choose to hide the memories from specific people. You can choose to hide the memories from specific dates, or you can even put keywords like the caption words or hashtags. So you can even choose to toggle on the hide memory suggestions if you don't want memory suggestions appearing. And then another option is notifications. You can choose how often you want to be notified about your memories. So if you tap on all memories, then Facebook will notify you no more than once a day. Or you can even choose to notify you about the highlights, that is about special videos and collections. Or if you tap on none, then Facebook won't notify you about any memories. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.